everybody. This is your host for Cooking with Tiffany, Tiffany DuBois-Morales. So, I realize that you're all pretty much salivating over the last couple of dishes I've posted for your viewing, eating, and drinking pleasure. So, for today's video, we're going to do another new dish. We're going to be doing Baharat Marinated Quail along with a Middle Eastern style Persian cucumber salad with all of these spices, some fresh dill, a little red onion, and a freshly made dressing. So please do sit back, relax, and we will be back. Welcome back, everybody. So the first thing that we're actually going to go ahead and do is prepare our quail. A couple of notes. First things first, quail is super quick and easy to cook and is actually very low calorie overall for anyone that's trying to experiment with their diets. Number two, your oven needs to be at a very high temperature because quail can overcook like that. We've seen it on enough episodes of Chopped or anywhere else to know that it's like a split-second difference between having perfectly cooked quail and overcooked. Just no. Final note, you can very much aggressively season your quail with a myriad of spices, so don't be afraid to experiment with whatever dry rub you want to use. In our case, the quail we picked up as usual at H Mart out here in Aurora, Colorado, and our spices are from both the Head Nut inside Reading Terminal Market in Philadelphia, PA, where I still have a semi-decent stockpile of spices, and our new local spice shop, Trailhead Spice Company. So we are starting with coriander, Trailhead's Baharat Spice Rub, followed by their French tarragon, the Head Nuts sumac, and za'atar spice. We're going to ensure that this adheres properly and that the skin is appropriately protected from overcooking with some extra virgin olive oil. Then we're going to go ahead and just ensure coat everything before we go ahead and roast in the oven. Up next will be our Persian cucumber salad as soon as we hear the ding of our oven at 500 degrees. And also, this is going to roast for a good 12 to 15 minutes total, and then it needs to be rested for between 5 and 10 minutes before we serve. So this is also a very quick dish to do. Welcome back, everybody. So we are now going to do our kind of Middle Eastern style salad. The first thing that we're actually going to go ahead and do is make the dressing at the bottom of our mixing bowl. So you start with very thinly sliced pieces of garlic, which, being Greek on my mother's side, we generally enjoy a lot of garlic and just aggressive seasoning of spices. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna then add in our freshly chopped dill, squeeze in our half lemon and lime, because you want a good balance between acidity, earthiness, and fat. The same dried spices that we seasoned our quail with before we add in just a small amount of extra virgin olive oil. Don't need a whole lot. And then you start with an initial mix. And man, I wish you guys could smell how amazing this is. Next, we add in our thinly sliced red onions. And remember that trick about being able to get each of the individual slices out, followed by just simply sliced tomatoes, and roughly chopped Persian cucumbers, although that's just because we have Persian cucumbers available at H Mart. English cucumbers or any cucumber will work for this salad. Very last thing that you do is just mix everything together. And depending on preference, all you need to do at this point is either serve or do what I'm about to do, which is one more bout of seasoning. So up next will be our finished look. Welcome back, everybody. This is your host for Cooking with Tiffany, Tiffany DuBois-Morales. And check it out. We have our finished Baharat Marinated Quail, along with our Middle Eastern and Mediterranean style Persian Cucumber Salad with freshly made dill and garlic based dressing. As always, please do not forget to head over to H Mart in whatever area you are tuning in from, as well as Trailhead Spice Company if you are out here in Colorado, or the Head Nut at Reading Terminal Market if you're out in Philadelphia, PA. I hope you have all enjoyed, learned, and will stay tuned for more Cooking with Tiffany episodes. I am your host, Tiffany DuBois-Morales. Bye.